One of the more difficult areas of regulation relates to the sale of alcohol. The liquor industry is a major employer and an important contributor to our economy. Our priority at this time, however, must be to save lives. Reckless behavior due to alcohol intoxication has contributed to increased transmission. Alcohol-related accidents and violence are putting pressure on our hospital emergency units. As we head to in the early days of the lockdown, we now have to flatten the curve to protect the capacity of our healthcare system, to enable it to respond effectively to this new wave of infections. In such a scenario, every piece of medical equipment, every hospital bed, every healthcare worker, and every oxygen tank is needed to save lives. Therefore, under the strengthened regulations, the sale of alcohol from retail outlets and on-site consumption of alcohol will not be permitted. The prohibition on consuming alcohol in public spaces like parks and beaches remains. Distribution and transportation will be prohibited with exceptions that will be explained by the minister. These regulations may be reviewed within the next few weeks if we see a sustained decline in infections and hospital admissions as we did before. In effect, the adjusted Level 3 regulations will keep the economy open while strengthening measures to reduce transmission. With a few exceptions, businesses may continue to operate as long as all relevant health protocols and social distancing measures are adhered to. Nightclubs and businesses engaged in the sale and transportation of liquor will not be allowed to operate. The Level 3 restrictions will remain in place until the 15th of January 2021. These measures will be reviewed at that time on the basis of the state of the pandemic in our country.